Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today with me I have a special guest.
Yo.
And today we're going to be doing the Popin Cookin
Tanoshii ramen
kit. So let's get on with the video. Inside we get one placement mat.
A bunch of ingredient packets.
And also some tools. Once you've prepared a glass of water, you can start making the candies. Step 1 is to add water into the mango container until it's half full. Once you've done that, you can pour the entire packet of the mango pudding. Once you've added all the powder, you mix it completely.
There's powder stuff coming out.
Here, you can mix it now.
Okay.
And then after you've mixed it completely, you just let it sit for 10 minutes. And while you do that, you can move on to making the other things. So now we can set aside the mango pudding and start making the ramen toppings. So the first step is you're supposed to add water until the fill line. So now you add the blue packet, which is the dough powder, into the water. And then you use your fork and mix it until it becomes thick. We also forgot about this step, but you actually have to cut the tray into different pieces. So now you take off 2 pieces of the dough and use it to fill the egg and the Naruto. So here's our Naruto and here's our egg. So now we can make the gyoza dumplings. So the first thing that you do is you take out all of the dough and you separate it into 4 equal parts. So now you can place the dough on this circle mold, which is on the packaging. Once you've flattened out the dough, you take your gyoza mold and you place the dough on it. And then
center it properly.
Oh.
And then I think you need to press down a little bit for it to make an indent. Make like an indent so it doesn't
No, I
fall
think
out.
you do that when you squish it together. Oh, you mean this indent?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard though. It's a little sticky.
Okay.
And now you can pour in just a little bit of the middle things, which are actually really cute. And
Wait, is that enough?
maybe a little bit more, because you do need this 4 times. So you basically do a quarter of the stuff inside. Okay, that's good. And then you're supposed to be able to squish it together.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Okay, wait, that's too much.
Okay. Whoa, it's
Wow.
so cute. This thing is so cute. Look at that.
I think you squeezed a little too hard though.
Yeah,
because
it did squeeze a little
it's
bit,
thin.
but it's very cute. And now you can put it on the paper and make one more. The dumpling that I made.
And this one's mine.
Mine looks better.
Mochi dough on my
So now that we finished the gyoza, we make the spring rolls, and you use the same mold to flatten it out, and then here you want to add it.
Sure.
So you add your ingredients again. And you basically do half of the amount that's left, unless you just want to eat some of them separately if you want. And then
There's still a lot
you're
left,
supposedly supposed to roll it. I'm being very careful because I'm afraid they're gonna fall out. And it looks like they are.
Don't roll it like that.
Why?
Because that's how they fall out.
Ta-da! I made it still. And now we can do the last one. So here are our finished spring rolls and gyoza. And we also did have a lot of the ingredients left. So I guess we could just eat that separately. And now we're going to go on to making the ramen. We've added the water to the fill line. And now you add the brown packet, the soup powder inside.
It's definitely cola flavored. I smelled it.
Oh. No. Oh yeah, there's cola flavor. Oh, well, it smells like a lot like cola.
Oh, I think the ingredient fillings for the gyoza and spring rolls, I think that's strawberry.
Oh, maybe.
Something.
And now you can mix it. And what is the next step? So we're supposed to pour water up to the line in the star tray, which is where we made our dough. So now you pour in the yellow packet, also known as the noodle powder. Pour the entire thing. Ooh, a little bit of the dust, I guess. Yeah, okay. And then now you can just mix it all together. Whoa, it's like clumpy already.
I think that one's also mango. Well, I don't know.
Probably. It looks kind of like it would be mango flavored. Except on camera, it looks kind of gross. But in real life, it looks more like mango.
Ew, did you pee?
No, I didn't. Stop it. Not cool. So now you use the toothpick that they provide and the plastic bag, and you poke a small little hole, and then you can take it out. And now you fold the top of the bag so that you can put in your mixture easier. So you take your noodle mixture and put it inside of the bag. So now you can just unfold the bag and apparently like twist it to close it, I guess. And then the hole is over here, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay. And then you're supposed to squeeze. Where does it come out? Oh, there we go. Okay. You squeeze some of these into where the yolk of the egg would be. Oh, that's like too little. There you
Yay.
go. Yay. There's our egg. And now we can just make the noodles by just squeezing like a strip into the soup mixture. Oh.
It looks kind of
Special guest decided to make a super long noodle, and now there's a giant blob. But yeah, so now we can just continue making the noodles, I guess, until we run out of this noodle paste. And I think I've gotten better at making the noodles because before they just kept breaking.
Can we go a little more? I promise
Yeah,
I won't
you can make
a giant
some
one
more.
again.
Now you can actually like see the noodles, which is really cool. Let me take the fork so you guys can see. Look at that. You can see all the noodles and it's really cool.
This box comes with different flavors, so it's like
Yeah, there's
Ramune, soda, strawberry, cola, and mango flavors. I think this one is the Ramune soda because the soup is cola, so that would make sense that both the flavors are like soda flavors.
Yeah. So the final step, well, I guess before the best step, which is eating it. Anyways.
Oh, wow.
So the final step is, excuse me, we take the mango, what is this, jello or pudding? Or I think it's pudding.
It's pudding.
Oh, okay. So now we can, I guess, use the toothpick would be easier.
Go on the sides first, yeah.
To take it out. Yeah. So we're going to do this off camera because might take a while. Wait, we're good. We are good. Good. Okay. Wait, you were recording that?
Yeah, I turned it on.
Okay. There we go. Beautiful.
Came out pretty. It's lopsided.
Wait. We gotta finish it.
Wait.
Take a nice picture.
Wait.
Okay. Gonna take our egg. Wait, where does this go?
Doesn't matter. Just
Okay, put it there. They didn't make the Naruto pink though. That bothers me. Yay!
It
So
looks
there's
like
our
actual
finished
noodles.
product.
wait.
Okay, you gotta put the fork. Yes.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Okay. Now we gotta take a nice picture. Yay! Okay, now we can eat it. So,
What if you put some of the remaining ingredient stuff into the ramen?
okay, but it's probably gonna melt
Garnish.
because it like melts. I don't know why, but anyways, let's
But, like,
see.
only a little bit, just to make it look kind of pretty.
If it'll go in. Oh, that was kind of a lot, but
It's okay.
there you go. Okay, so now you want to
I think it's
try.
blurry on the camera.
Okay, so how about
I'm gonna eat the spring rolls first.
yeah? Cheers.
It's blurry.
Yeah.
You have to
but
put yours further, I think. Yours is blurry.
yes. Cheers.
Okay. Look on the inside.
Yeah, it like all melted when we bit it.
It's sour.
It tastes- Yeah, it's a little sour, but I kind of like it. It tastes like a sour strawberry, but not like super sour.
I think this one's strawberry flavored.
Yeah, I think the inside's strawberry flavored. It's pretty good though. So,
The outside's like a mochi thing.
and many people were probably waiting for this, but let's try the mango pudding. Yes, pudding.
Yeah. Can you even cut it? Or is it
Yes.
just
Okay, hold on. There you go. Okay, there's
Wow. That was so easy.
that. Tastes kind of like, isn't there like a mango like Asian drink thing? I forgot what the brand was, but it tastes like that. So yeah, it tastes good.
Like that yogurt drink?
The gyoza is the same as the the gyoza is the same as the spring rolls. You know, we don't have to try that on camera. You seriously trying to take more? Eat it after. Okay.
I was gonna like stab it, but then I was
So
just
now
like,
we can
wait.
try some of the noodles. Wait, give me a noodle. Oh,
Let me
I
eat
got a big one. Oh, that tastes really weird. Now you can try some of the noodles. I feel like it tastes kind of weird. The whole thing actually just tastes like cola.
Hold on, wait. I'm gonna go on the other side.
The whole thing actually tastes like cola. I don't know what
Ramune.
Ramune soda tastes
I
like.
think you pronounce it.
I don't know what that even tastes like anyway.
Oh no,
but
I got the long noodle.
Get a different noodle. Yeah, that one's like way too long. Wow, you want a lot, don't ya?
Hey, I'm trying. Okay.
Okay, just pick it up with your finger.
No, we are civilized people here.
But we don't have our chopsticks. Okay.
What do you mean? They're
Is
right
it good?
there.
Oh yeah, chopsticks. Is it good?
It doesn't really taste like
It
anything.
tastes kind of weird, right? Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and